string in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
I ain't hating on the cameo like y'all hating on the cricket. I'm only trying to, I'm defending myself. I ain't never come for the cameo.
It is what it is.
You said it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Hey, see, then said it is what it is. All right, see, you gonna draw the line. Draw the line.
Hey, Josephine, how did you get started? Period, in any crafts that you're doing? What made you say I'm gonna make something custom and sell it?
Right.
My little girl, me and Nisha, I was working at Ryan Buffet for about 6 years. Then I got a part-time job at Michael's. But before I got to Michael's, I was already like a couponer. I was just everywhere. So, and watching YouTube, that I'm gonna have to find the Lord Jesus. Y'all know I'm bad with names. But watching this one lady, and then somehow spoon mirrors. Have you ever seen a spoon mirror? When people take spoons, like plastic spoons, spray paint them bitches and get a mirror and put them to like some cardboard, and it's home decor. And I did that with a girl. Yeah, it was. I'm telling you, she took off. I did that with my little girl when she was probably 6 or 7. And I don't know why every time I did anything, people thought Nisha did. I'm like, the fuck, I did it too. Like, so they were like, tell Nisha I want what the fuck you did, right? I ride a train. And I'm like, we finna make this money. So that's pretty much crafts with her, trying to keep her busy as a child. And we did the spoon mirrors, and it took off. It took off. And I was like, okay, I see I can make money. And when we moved in this apartment, we've been in this apartment now 3 years, I think. We're going on 3. And she made a YouTube channel. She made her YouTube channel. And it's the best uni. And we supposed to be doing crafts together. Child, please. I think Nisha lasted 2 days with one thing, and she know how to edit and everything. Yeah, I didn't know how to do nothing. When I started doing it, she didn't want to do it. You get what I'm saying? So that's pretty much how I posted. I went viral on Facebook. I did these paper earrings. I seen this one girl do some Looney Tune, like Bud Bunny earrings, like literally Buzz Bunny earring. And y'all already know when you post something, first thing, bitch ain't even hit the like button yet. The first thing they say, how you did that? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So I'm the type of person, I know what I don't like, so I try not to do it to nobody else. So I'm researching. I'm going through the girl picture. I went through a profile. I'm just researching them. Exactly. And I'm just paying attention to the details. I'm like, damn, I bet you I can do that. I don't know what she used because she won't answer nobody questions. So at the time, I think when I did the earrings, I think this is when everybody was doing, they was gluing pieces of paper together to do jewelry. I can't think. I don't even know if they were doing that then. I can't remember exactly, but I know for a fact, I was like, I bet you I can get some photo paper, and I can, at the time I had my Cricut, and if I shadow cut this and just print this, all that, because I was learning my shadows, and I glued probably 10 pieces of cardstock together, and then I put photo paper on each side to make it a double side of the picture, and it blew up. Fucking internet broke. They keep me out the group. They literally keep me out the group within a week.
Why did they kick you out though? Why?
When I went viral, everybody kept saying how you did that, and I didn't know how to explain it, so I tried to get a video up on YouTube. And I'm like, well, why not? Man, Nisha's supposed to do it. I wanted to get on YouTube. I thought it was gonna be easy to make money off YouTube. No, it didn't work like that. But I put the video up. My video was trash. A couple of people that appreciate me, they learned from it. The people that got common sense, they took something from the video and learned from it and subscribed to me. And then I tried to post that video when people kept asking in the group. The group was called Black Girl Cricket. As soon as I post that bitch, I got kicked out. As soon as I post, I got kicked out. They don't like you to share links. So I learned that.
I know that group.
Yeah. So that's how I pretty much got started doing spoon mirrors. And Nisha made her first $20 and lost it the same day we made it. Same day she made $20. She lost it with Technical, but that was me trying to be a mother, trying to teach her, like, look what you made, put that in your pocket. I ain't want her $20. You know what I'm saying? Shit, Nisha $20, I ain't never gave her another 20. Do you mean? After we made anything, I put it in my pocket. But yeah. Other than that, that's about it. And I did one more thing, which was like what you call them, like
that's really amazing, to start like that. That's amazing.
Yeah, but I watch a lot of YouTube. The people from YouTube, it's Chris, what's her name? Crystal Fix or some, this is a white lady. She don't ever show you shit. And she just posts videos doing it. And I pay attention. And I'm like, I wonder, can I oblige? Y'all already know how I am. I'm always like, I wonder, can I do it? So she did these Louis Vuitton purses, but it was gift box. I'm like, at the time I ain't had no printer. All I had, I don't even think I had a Cricut then. I didn't have a Cricut then. At the time when I did the boxes, I think I did the box before I did the earrings. I can't remember exactly, but I know I didn't have a Cricut because I cut it by hand. I went to the library and I was printing out the purses. I find like the Louis Vuitton purses. All I do is go to Google, I search it, and I go to images, and I find, you go to images and you find, I save. And I printed it out whole and I cut it by hand, and I bought gable boxes, these little gift boxes. And all I did was use some double-sided tape and tape them on there. And it went crazy in the group. And then I was like, fuck it, I'm finna start again on YouTube.
Wow.
If you go back and watch my videos, I came a long way. I'm still kind of like, but I ain't come a long way. I came a long way with my video. Because you would have been like, what the hell? Why is she holding that camera with a hand? I didn't know what a tripod was. I didn't know none of that. My little girl taught me half the stuff. So that's why I feel like I'm proud of myself, to be honest with you. I still out there.
Right. You started.
Yeah. I see Dub Nation, Charmaine, shit, all y'all got y'all stuff all professional. And it looks, I give it all y'all saying. And then first come for you 12, because you say you last minute. I am the type of person. You can order from me today. I gotta get it done. I gotta get it done today. I ain't even gotta have it. I'm gonna run out and get it. I gotta get it done, especially if you're not already paid. But when it comes to the shirt, saying like having somebody else made, what's that, Teespring, people like that? Is that are they saying like that? Are they saying people like that?
Pretty much. It was just.
I would like to do stuff like that. I don't like making shirts, y'all. I hate making shirts. I love the design. I love trying to design some stuff. But people don't want to pay you for what it's worth. It seems like when it's coming off line, they seem like they don't give a damn what they pay. If they want it, they buy it. But it seems like when it's you, they don't want to pay for it. But if it comes off line, they really think it's some shit. You get what I'm saying? They don't even realize you behind it. That's the type of being I don't even want you to know I'm behind this shit. You buying it. That's what I'm trying to be at. I ain't gonna promote it, but I ain't gonna promote it. If you buy it, you buy it. You don't. Because I'm gonna still be like in my pocket over here, like how you said, y'all will make it. I will still make stuff myself for my YouTube channel, but if I had to have a plug and had somebody like a manufacturer to, if I'm the designer and they can press my shit for me, yeah, fuck yeah, that's the way to go. Because y'all know for y'all, so we working entirely too hard for having a couple of dollars we do. They don't realize the weeding work we do, the fucking material we have to buy is not cheap.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cried.